sounds sick, you know.
Audio Jungle.
What is happening, people? Dsgpantha here. Today I'm be doing a POV drive in my stage 1 Golf GTI Mk7.5. As you can see, there's probably some new additions in here. So we have the purple entertainment system here. As you see, it's purple. We do need to get this done, but that will be at a later point. Any companies that can do this, let me know and DM me. Let's work. And also we got some red paddle shifters now. We did have some black ones, but we've now got red, and these are now available on dsgmods.com. so go to dsgmods.com, make sure to use my discount code, and you guys can get the brand new paddle shifters from dsgmods.com. Apart from that, it is all the same in here. I've got this GTI little, I don't know, thingy-bob from for Christmas for my mum and dad, so I've just left that up there because it looks sick. Apart from that, it is literally the same in here still. We've got more bits coming. We've also got a sun strip up here now that is also added. We are at Pluckley Woods, which is meant to be really like, I don't know, like booky place to go. Yeah, if you don't know about Pluckley Woods, then I'm not getting out here, so that's why I'm not walking around the car. But yes, we've got the sun strip, paddle shifters, purple entertainment system. We've got traction off. We're going to go for a drive in the stage 1 Golf GTI. Something Renault. I had a little race with him. As you can see, these back roads are absolutely mad, and I don't think I've been down here in a video before. So yeah, let's as you can see, man, she moves. She absolutely moves, like. She just moves. It's such a quick car. It's actually mad. I also had a little pull with my boy's Golf R yesterday. I'll throw that clip in now. I had a pull with him with his Golf R. I believe his is stock with a Res Delete. So you see the pull. And oh my god, this car is on smoke. Honestly, I don't know. I beat him. You'll see the results now. I'll put the video up on the screen. As you can see that, I don't know how. Obviously, when you get to about 30 to 40 in second gear, this car just slips anyway. It is just gonna wheel spin. But after that, I pulled on him and I full on had him the whole time. So yeah, stage 1, your Golf GTI, I 100% recommend it. You can't not do it. Like, it's just naughty. It's different level stage 1 compared to how it is stock. This car is so dead stock. Like, it needs a stage 1 remap. We've also got some little burbles added to the car as well. Let me put the window down a bit so you guys can hear. And ignore that, that's my tint. I had to take my tint off, so as you hear it there. Sounds sick, honestly. Like, it's actually mad. This car is so evil stage 1. It's like the demon Golf right now. But yeah, honestly, this number plate in front is hard. BMW 3L, that is a hard number plate. That's pretty worth more than that car, you know. That's the maddest thing. He's on it as well. That's pretty worth more than his car, BMW 3L. Nah, he's mocking it with that number plate. It's actually hard, you know. Right, we're gonna get onto some bad boy roads in a minute, and yeah, I'll show you guys what this Golf can do. We've also got brand new Michelin tires up the front now. They've got Michelin Pipe fours all round, and yeah, with the coilovers by ECOMAX, this car handles like an absolute animal. Ah, why are these not going the way I want to go? No, we're gonna have to go straight on, innit? I don't really feel like being stuck behind them.
You want to see your eyes so amazing. See you praying at the club, man, I'm faded, wasted. I ain't trying to work no day shift, putting in work, and you know I'm gonna make it. We can do it together, and if you stay by my side, we'll be winning forever. So my target is high, I'm ahead forever. And I want you by my side, can you make my life better? We living life in the fast lane, baby. Give it to me, girl, when you're driving me crazy, crazy. Man, I whip so crazy. S3s, Coopers, GTIs, baby. Girl, I want you for a lifetime. Take you out for a drive in the whip when it's night time. Girl, I want you for a lifetime. In your mind, better ring, be my wife when the time's right.
This car, man, it just flies. I'm calling this the back road maniac. You man don't even understand.
Baby, give it to me, lose it. 19 lit with the guys, man, we do bits. Girl, I like how you looking, I dress but undressed. Take your bar for a drive, don't stress. When I'm out with the guys, I ain't got interest in any other girl, man, your mind the best. We living life in a fast lane, baby. Give it to me, girl, man, you're driving me crazy, crazy. Man, the whip's so crazy. S3s, Coopers, GTIs, baby. Girl, I want you for a lifetime. Take your bar for a drive in a whip when it's night time. Girl, I want you for a lifetime. And your mind better ring, be my wife when the time's right.
Honestly, man, I love these national roads. They're actually
I'll show you in many ways I'm worth it. I'm right, I can work, you shit at working, and I ain't even gotta mention it, and you're twerking.
Oh my god, honestly, you can't beat these national roads. They're actually too sick. Let me know if you like it. It's like a wider lens than normal. To me, it looks better, but I don't know. Route for good vehicles. Oh, hold on, let's do this. Let's do this one. This is for good vehicles. Oh wait, it's a national though. Yeah, calm. Let's go. I don't even know where this goes, but it's a national, so it means you can boot it. How is this a national? There's no way I would do more than 30 down here. This is horrible. But I literally done this earlier. I drove down this whole road and it was like a national. I was like, yeah, this would be sick for videos and all this shit. And then literally the road was horrible. Like, how is this a national? Where am I doing the 60 down here? Please tell me. Unless you're a maniac, which I'm not. I am not some psycho. There's no way I'm doing. Oh, fucking hell. That was peak, bruv. What you doing, bruv? Get over. Oh, that was my front splitter. This is what I mean, man. Oh, that was peak. That was peak. I heard that. That was actually, I need to check that because that was loud as well. The amount of times I've hit a pothole, amount of times I've hit a hole with the front splitter and it's still on, I'm actually surprised. So let's go right. I don't want to go down there. I'm done with these dodgy roads now. We need to pull over and make sure it's all good. I just want to check it real quick. Oh, it's calm. Yeah, we're sweet still. I thought it'd be falling off or something. No, we're sweet still. Oh god, why do people drive so fast? Honestly, chill, man. I say chill when I'm driving like a knob, but it's calm. Right, sweet. Yeah, the splitter's fine, so we're good to carry on. We'll wait for these cars to move up so we can put our foot down a little bit. Yeah, I was actually worried, you know. I was actually vexed then. I thought I would have just smashed my whole front bumper, but maybe it's just the under tray. I just have to check that when I get home. But yeah, these roads are sick down here though. This is a sick spot to full on like boot it because it's a national and you get all the nice windy corners and that. So yeah, once we get around here, we'll give it my last little boot before I go home. Yeah, I don't even know what's around here. Alright, cool. Yeah, let's get into it. Let's yeah, let's send it. Oh my god, really? Why has it got to be a learner, man? You know what, guys? I'm just gonna give up because every time I try and record somewhere, someone pops out of nowhere. But let me just wait for this guy to naff off. Heavy on the brake, and you kind of just let it fly through, and then here you go. The bangs now, innit? actually sounds sick, you know. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end it here. That has been the POV drive in my stage 1 Mark 7.5 Golf GTI. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Get me to 10k, we are so close. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Audio Jungle.